Stop scrolling if you need to visualize deep space navigation in 2026. Most tools are static or cost hundreds of dollars. But a new project dropped on Hacker News that changes everything. It's called Project Hail Mary, and it renders a real-time stellar navigation chart using actual NASA astrometry data. You don't need a PhD in astrophysics to use it. In this video, I'll show you how to clone the repo, run the data pipeline, and generate a 3D interactive star map in under 5 minutes. This is the ultimate free tool for sci-fi fans and data scientists. Let's execute the main script. Run Python generate _star_map.py in your terminal. Watch as the terminal outputs progress bars for data loading and coordinate conversion. Within 3 seconds, a window pops up displaying a dense 3D cloud of stars. You can rotate the view with your mouse to see the Milky Way's structure from different angles. The tool automatically labels the top 50 brightest stars. This is insane for a free, open-source tool. It replicates features found in expensive professional astronomy software. You can even export the coordinates to JSON for use in game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine. Here's the pro tip: you can customize the color scale based on stellar temperature. Modify the color_map parameter in the config file to shift from blue-hot O-type stars to red-cool M-type dwarfs. This visual cue helps identify star types instantly. The script also calculates the velocity vectors, allowing you to simulate star movement over 10,000 years. This feature is perfect for understanding why constellation shapes change over millennia. In 2026, having this level of temporal data visualization for free is a game-changer for educators and hobbyists alike. To summarize, Project Hail Mary gives you a professional-grade stellar navigation chart for free. You installed the libraries, processed NASA data, and generated an interactive 3D map in minutes. No subscription fees, no complex setup. Just pure open-source power. If you found this tool useful, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm show this to more tech enthusiasts. Subscribe for more deep dives into free AI and data visualization tools. Next week, I'm showing you how to build a real-time weather satellite tracker using similar Python techniques. Stay tuned.